everybody, this is SewCanShe Studio Chat number 6. I would like to show you how I make quilted pieces using flexible foam stabilizers such as the Bayani's Soft and Stable. That's what I'm using today. There's also a Pellon brand, and it is so easy, and you can make really beautiful wallets and tote bags. This is the technique that I use on my DIY Perfect wallet. And I don't want you to hesitate to make that wallet because you think that the first step is really tricky. It's not, so I'm going to show you how to do it now. So I have my sewing machine set up here with the walking foot, which really helps keep the layers straight and makes this technique a lot easier. And I have 2 pieces of fabric cut the exact same size along with the stabilizer that's also cut the same size as my 2 pieces of fabric. And I'm just going to line them up here with the corner. My sewing machine is set to the longest stitch length, so it's a basting stitch. And I'm just going to start basting it about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. And the reason why 1/8 of an inch from the edge is because the seam allowance that I have planned for this project is 1/4 inch. So if my basting line is within 1/8 of an inch of the edge, it won't get in the way. Now see here, I've got a little bit extra stabilizer than fabric. I'm just going to kind of stretch it. It'll fit. That's one of the things that I love about this is that it's really easy and it doesn't have to be perfect. So see there, 1/8 of an inch from the edge. I'm just going to pick up. You don't have to stop. I just stopped so that I could show you the edge, but I'm just going to keep going here. Turn. And I can kind of like smooth out my fabric here to keep this edge nice and even. One side is done, so I'll just turn it over, lay my fabric down. Okay, everything is the same size. Now, of course, I could clip this if I wanted to, or pin it, but I won't. Just lining up the edges. There we go. So now I have this piece that is basted on both sides, and what I will do next is some quilting that will really accentuate the project that I have with this fabric. And I think as I look at this pretty motif here on this tulip pink fabric, I think I'm going to use that as my guide for some quilting. So I hope I have convinced you how easy it is to baste fabric to 2 sides of the flexible foam stabilizer. If you like to use this stabilizer or you've tried this technique, please leave a comment and let us know how it worked for you. Have a great day.